is this Nitric Plus. So Nitric Plus naman, design po siya for blood circulation. So it's a L-arginine at saka L-citrulline combination. So bakit maganda yung combination na yan? Kasi it produce the miracle molecule in the body which is nitric oxide. So kayo ba na ano nyo na yung nitric oxide? Kumbaga na experience nyo na or narinig nyo na. Okay, if you're a health buff, siguro narinig nyo na nitric oxide. Alright, so what's the number one killer ba right now in the world? Buong mundo po, number one killer is heart attack. Okay? That's the silent killer. And right now, hindi lang may edad ang nagkaka-heart attack. Okay? So, may maririnig ka ngayon na 25, 23 years old na heart attack. Kasi mostly ng mga fresh grad natin, napupunta sila sa BPO industry, di ba? So, pag sinabi mong BPO, sometimes graveyard sila. Gabi talaga. So, pag graveyard, syempre iba yung lifestyle, iba yung ano, yung iba they also drink in the morning, iba yung lifestyle ng mga bata ngayon. Okay? So, ang bilis nila ma-stroke, ang bilis nila magka-heart attack. That's the number one kasi. So, millions of people ang naaatake. 100,000 times nagbi-beat ang ating puso every day. That's 35 million a year. Bawal po siyang mag-fail. Ano? So, ang ginagawa ng product natin, it's a support. Okay, dun sa heart natin. So, pag kasi pangit ang blood flow, ito yung mga consequences niyan. High blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, fatigue, brain fog, at saka sa lalaki, erectile dysfunction. Ano? So, if kung gusto nating tumigas yung ano, private part ng lalaki, kailangan ng proper blood flow. Ano? So, this is also good for girls and boys. Actually, my wife has a testimony kasi yung ano niya, yung dysmenorrhea niya nawala. Grabe kasi siya pag nagkaka-mens talaga. Halos 2 days hindi siya bumabangon. Ganon. Talagang consider na yun as ano, sick day niya. Kumbaga, pag meron siya. Pero after using Nitric Plus, maayos. Okay, umayos yung menstruation niya. So, magkano ba magkasakit ng heart attack? Mostly 1 million po or more. Okay, ayan yung diagnosis niyan. So, by taking care of your heart, you're not just taking care of your body, you're also taking care of your savings. Ano po? So, lagi tayo sa preventive side ng ng buhay. Wag nating hayaan na ma-stroke tayo tapos saka natin ayusin. Lalo na yung rehabilitation, mahal yan. Karamihan na na-stroke within 6 months, pag hindi nila naayos, ganun na sila. So, rehabilitation is expensive. Yung iba hindi na nakakapag-therapy because wala ng budget. Ano po? So, let's not go on that path. Okay, sabi naman nila, may PhilHealth naman, Jeff. Okay, the coverage of PhilHealth napakababa. Okay, kapag lalo na sa Pilipinas, unless you're living in Canada or other country na may matinding healthcare, pwede siguro. Ano po? So instead of spending, bakit hindi na lang natin ilagay yung ating attention in taking care of our heart daily. So i-take mo na lang, ano po, healthy heart, healthy brain, healthy body, yan ang magpo-produce. So we need nitric oxide in our body. Okay, bakit? Nitric oxide relax the vessels, improve the circulation, at saka deliver the oxygen faster. Alam nyo ba nung naimbento, nung na-discover yung nitric oxide na miracle molecule, yung naka-discover niyan, won a Nobel Prize winner. So what we're talking about here, it's not pito-pito, it's not voodoo science. What we talk about here is real science. In fact, Nobel Prize winner yung naka-discover ng nitric oxide. Okay po? So, pag nagtitake ka nito, what you can expect? It will widen your blood vessels, improve your blood flow, lower your blood pressure, support your health, at saka yung will deliver oxygen to organs. Okay? Basically, you are 100 times better kapag uminom ka ng Nitric Plus kesa hindi. Okay? Even your brain. Okay? Yung skin mo. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng skin mo kapag umiinom ka nito. Kasi nga maganda blood flow. Ganda po So, now, ano pang nakaka-affect sa puso? Ano pang nakaka-affect sa blood circulation? Age. 30 to 40 years old, di mo na maano, talagang mabilis ka na mapagod, okay? Ah, minsan, hinihingal ka na, umakyat ka lang ng konti, naglakad ng konti, talagang hinihingal na po. So, our body needs L-arginine tsaka L-citrulline to produce nitric oxide. Ganun siya. So that's why this product has these top two ingredients. Ano po? So, ang nitric oxide, tandaan niyo po it cannot be produced by our own body until you take L-arginine, yung amino acid na yan. Okay? So, yung L-citrulline naman, anong function niya? Ang function ng L-citrulline is to help bypass the filtration of liver. Kasi pag nagtitake ka lang na maraming supplement sa labas, you can look for it, arginine lang. At pag arginine lang yung iniinom mo, probably ang napupunta na lang sa mismong katawan mo, mga 15 to 20% nasasayang. Ngayon, merong hack. Okay? Merong hack. In fact, there's a book na binasa ko. It's called No More Heart Disease. Okay? Sinabi niya din talaga doon na you have to take arginine with citrulline. Okay? So, kaya may citrulline, L-citrulline. So, L-citrulline will bypass yung liver filtration, so it will convert into arginine in the kidney. And the result, okay, yung it will magkakaroon siya ng higher and longer lasting plasma arginine levels taking arginine and than taking arginine itself. Ganun siya. So, meron siyang twist, kumbaga. Parang kape. May tao, 'di ba? Kape, black coffee. Yung iba, papasarapin nila, they'll put creamer, they'll put sugar. Okay, ganun lang siya. So, arginine is good base, pero you need citrulline para sumarap, ma-enjoy mo yung iniinom mo. Okay, that's yun yung analogy nun. So, pag nagtitake ka na yan, it will widens the ugat natin. So, alam niyo yung mga may nagme-maintenance, yung binibigyan ng maintenance. Ang maintenance kasi, generically, it's vasodilator. So, pag vasodilator, yung ugat mo pinapalaki para yung blood flow normal. Okay? So, same thing ang ginagawa ng ating product, Nitric Plus. It's already a vasodilator. Ngayon, okay, ang maganda dito, it doesn't harm your kidney. Naturally. So, kahit ba wala ako sakit sa puso, pwede na ako mag-take. Kahit ba wala pa ako naramdaman, pwede na mag-take. Pwede po. Kasi, yung mga plaques dyan, sa gilid, hindi mo yung mararamdaman until they're malala. And I can tell you, we all have it. Okay? We all have it. Hindi pa lang sila nagkakaroon ng rupture. Okay? So better circulation will lead to better heart health, stronger energy level, clearer thinking. Oh, yung Alzheimer's, pagiging makakalimutin. Ang hirap kasi, 'di ba? Yung pagdating mo sa 60, 70, makakalimutin ka. Hindi mo ma-memorize yung pangalan ng mga apo mo. 'Di ba? So, we have to take care of our brain health din, improve physical performance, tsaka yung healthier blood pressure. Kasi pag ang blood pressure mo mataas, dyan na, di ka na makalabas, nahihilo ka na. So, big problem po yan. Ano po? So, ito yung mga benefits ng ating Nitric Plus. Mai-enjoy nyo yan. And what I always say, you are 100 times better kapag uminom ka Nitric Plus than hindi. At may experience nyo po yan. Okay po. I think today, this one is already my sixth presentation na ganito. Today lang yon. Pero yung energy, yung flow natin, yung tawag dito, yung clarity natin, andito pa. Okay? Remember that your organs needs oxygen and nutrients to survive. Blood is the delivery system ng katawan. Okay? If blood cannot move properly, the body will slow down. Mararamdaman niyo yan. Pag restricted kayo, masakit yung muscles nyo, minsan nangangalay ka, minsan may tingling effect, yung para may karayom, okay, mararamdaman nyo po yan. If that means poor circulation na. Lalo na yung mga nakaupo maghapon. Kaya yung mga presentation ko pag umaga, pag gabi, like this, I make sure na tumatayo ako. Okay, I have a trampoline here sa bahay. So, I make sure I make my blood flow then. Plus, I'm taking Natric Plus. Ano po? So, remember that your heart works every seconds of your life. Isang beses lang yan hindi mag-pump. Medyo challenging na. Ano? So, support nyo and you're saving a lot of money if you support it. Okay? So, that's the power of this Nitric Plus.